Hey y'all, welcome to Miss Clarke's chemistry class. I know we have been needing some practice on atomic math. I know your teacher's making you do it. You know, atomic math when you're figuring out how many protons, how many neutrons, how many electrons. We need to look at that. So I have some examples. Let's give them a try. If we have a mass number of 128, proton number of 53, with a charge, that means oxidation number, of -1, well, the first thing we would need to do is look on the periodic table and see which element is number 53. And 53 is iodine. And so we put the big capital I. We put the mass number up top. We put the bottom number on bottom. And then we put the charge on the other side. This is the correct isotopic notation for iodine with this given information. Let's try another example. We're given a little bit different information. Atomic number is 76, mass number is 188, and it has 72 electrons. We need to go to the periodic table and find number 76, osmium. So the symbol is OS. So we put the mass number on top, the atomic number on bottom. But now we've got to figure out the oxidation number. Electrons is 72, protons are 76. We've got 4 more protons than we do electrons. That's why our oxidation number is the 4 positive. This problem, we're going to start with the isotopic notation, and we're going to go the opposite. We're going to solve for protons, neutrons, and electrons. Ag, this is silver. The mass number is 108, and the atomic number is 47, which means there are 47 protons. Now that's 61. I got that from subtracting. It's 47 from 108. Because remember, 108 is the mass number, and the mass number is protons plus neutrons. So we had to use a little subtraction there. And if we want to figure out the electrons, we need to notice there is no oxidation number. So the protons and the electrons are equal. This last example does have an oxidation number, Pb. This is lead. It has a mass number of 206, an atomic number of 82. Since the atomic number is 82, we've got 82 protons. If we need to figure out the number of neutrons, remember we've got to subtract. 206 minus 82 is 124. 124 neutrons. And then the electrons, we've got to look at that oxidation number. It's a +4. That means we're going to have 4 more protons. And if we were to take 82 minus 4, we get 78. I really hope working these examples helped you. See, that's not so hard, right? We just always have to remember. The atomic number is the protons, the mass number, protons and neutrons. And neutral atoms, protons and electrons equal. Ions, protons and electrons are not equal. So now atomic math should be a breeze. You know what to do next. Press the like button if you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, bye y'all.